Okay, welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around a 1981 Camaro. This is a Z28. It's got the 5.0 under the hood. This is a 4-speed car. It does have the AC and everything all hooked up, but it's not working. So that's something right now, you know, put up front. We tell you all the flaws in this video of the car or in every car on the lot. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. If you have questions, we have answers. They're all located on that page as well. There's a big form or link you can click on. You can also get shipping and financing, 100 detailed pictures of this ride, and pictures of every car that is available at the moment at maplemotors.com. So let's get started here. I was in the middle of a test drive. I do test drive videos of these cars as well. And pulling this parking lot. That way we can walk around, look for chips, scratches, any kind of flaws. Let's get started. Coming around the front end, it's nice and clean, but it does have some imperfections. Right on the corner there's a little blemish. Coming around the front, same thing on this corner. Coming down this side, gonna run down the lower portion of the car first. Just kind of glance at stuff, make sure we don't miss any chips or scratches. Some more chips back in the corner here. Pick up some dirt. There's a nice paint run in the back quarter here. A lot of chips that have been covered up. Then back to midsection between the wing, you can see it's not perfect. Got a dent right here on top of the fender. Chip there and here. The paint on this one is weak. You can see where it's been repainted. And it's got lots of imperfections. Back window's in good shape. Package tray looks good along with the seats. Nice and clean inside there. Weather stripping around the trunk is older. Still soft, but I guess it's doing its job. Looking pretty good in the trunk, I must say. Showing the package tray. And I've made a mess. There's T-top covers in there. Trunk lid itself's got a lot of surface rust popping up. I don't see any holes. It just looks like it's sitting on top there. Coming down with the trunk lid. It shuts pretty easy. You got some chips in the paint around the tag. You see all the little indentions and blemishes. Got a crease right in this area here. Let's go down this portion of the car now. Get my shadow up out of there so you can see. A little spot there. I'm zooming in on most of this stuff. Got some spots right there. Paint runs right here. This is a different color tint on the T-top than the other one, so somebody's changed that out. Windshield has a little crack in it right here in the corner, little chip. We'll be checking the hood here in a moment. We've made it all the way around this car. What we're going to do now is jump in the inside, get her started up, and then we'll get some undercarriage shots, and we'll also shut that hood and jump back on the road, continue the test drive. As soon as I open the door, I can see that the front seats have been replaced. They look great in this car. Checking the door panel out, it's a little bit loose. The fabric looks fairly new, but the job on it needs to be tightened up. Everything needs to be tightened up. So weather stripping feels fairly new. Jams look pretty good. Carpet in this one is new, has been replaced. Back seat looks great along with the package tray. You get a couple little missing pieces here on your headliner. You can see on the edge there it's a little ripped. But yeah, I like these seats. They were comfortable on the way here too. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Woo, that's a hot seat. Dash looks pretty good. Starts up easy. Engine temperature's working. Clock is not working. Tach is working. It's not accurate though. There's no way that was $7 grand. Gas gauge, it did move up. So I did top the tank off, ended up in the test drive video. About 5 gallons in, it was full. And then that needle went up a little bit more. So it's somewhat reading right, but it's not 100% correct, so I would not trust it. Battery gauge is working. I couldn't get the blower motor to cut on in here. Just trying to get the AC to work. It's not working. Radio, it's a bunch of static. Horn. Horn's not working on this one. It's not hooked up. All right. One more thing, wipers. All right. With the headlights on and the turn signals. We'll check all that too. Lights are working. Everything's working. Good deal. running pretty good. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com, see those detailed pictures, and watch the test drive where you can get an undercarriage shot. It's all lit up with a light. All right, let's look under this. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Also share, like, and you can leave a comment below. Everything helps out. I want to thank you in advance. And I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to watch the test drive. Also join the page. And here soon, I'm going to start doing real estate videos with my wife. So we just created a channel on that last night. We'll be doing that full time as well. Okay. Let's get back to the test drive. I'll see you later, guys.